Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to add networks to your MetaMask wallet. The reason we're doing this is to show you how to add the XDC network. MetaMask is great for exploring blockchains, but before you can explore anywhere you need to add the network information to your wallet so that you can connect to other blockchains. So smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So first up, you need to get logged into your MetaMask wallet. So click the little icon and then log in. Once you're logged in, click the three dots in the top right corner and then select the expand view option, and it will put your wallet into a web page which is much easier to work with. In the top left, click on where it says Ethereum mainnet, and this is where you can change the network that your wallet is currently accessing. In this section you'll see a list of networks that you can connect to, but at the moment our list is pretty empty, so let's add some networks. Click the Add Network button and you'll see it gives you a list of popular networks to choose from. Next to each network is an Add button, so I'm going to add the Avalanche network and then it will ask me to approve. So I'm going to click Approve and that will now add the network to my wallet. It will then say network was added successfully and give me the option to switch to that network, but I don't want to, so I'm just going to click dismiss. Okay, so it takes you back to your wallet, and if you click the network box in the top left again, you'll now see we've got the Avalanche network in our list of networks. If you ever want to tidy up this list in the future, you can delete networks by clicking the little delete symbol just here, and then it will ask you if you want to delete that network. So we'll click delete so that my OCD doesn't kick in for having networks in my list that I'm never going to use. If you click the networks box in the top left again, then the add network button, you'll see we're on the list of networks screen again. So next up is adding a network manually. So scroll to the bottom of the screen and you will see where it says add a network manually, so click on that. Okay, so this next screen is where you can add any network from around the crypto space. To do this you need the network information to fill out this form, so let me type it in at the speed of light for the XDC network. There you go. I knew that Mavis Beacon teaches typing software would come in useful one day. So I suggest you pause the video now and fill out the form the same as mine. Okay, so once you've filled out the form, let's explain it, because as much as I'm here to show you how to do stuff, I also want to educate you so you know why and not just how. The network name isn't massively important, but this is what will show in your networks list. Don't go putting I love my dog or anything like that in there. Keep it relevant, which is why I've called mine XDC network. The RPC URL and the chain ID are the two most important bits of information. If you get these wrong, adding the network isn't going to work. Next is the currency symbol, which is the native coin for the network. So for the XDC network, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out that the native currency is XDC, and one of our favorite coins on this channel. Lastly, the block explorer URL, which is optional, but it's worth filling in if you've got that information available, because when you do a transaction and after it completes you have the option to view on block scan, but if you haven't filled out the block explorer URL, then when you try and view the transaction it's not going to work because you've not got the block scan as an option. So not a big deal if you leave that box empty, but if you've got the information, well worth filling out. Okay, so we filled it out and educated you, so let's click that save button. So if it's worked, it will say network added successfully, and you'll see your networks box in the top left is now connected to the XDC network. Right, congratulations. You've now been educated regarding how to add networks to your MetaMask wallet. One thing to note, if you remove the Chrome extension or delete the MetaMask app from your phone, then when you restore that wallet, you'll find that the networks have been deleted. So you'll have to go through the process of adding them again. Right, let's start wrapping up today's show. In conclusion, adding networks to your MetaMask wallet is a very easy task. The hard part is finding the network information, and a little trick I've got up my sleeve for you is a website called chainlist.org, which has just magically appeared on your screens. As you can see, it shows all the networks in the crypto space, and when you click the little down arrow, it gives you the RPC URL that you need. Let's take a quick look at the info they have for XDC, and as you can see, it tells you the chain ID, the currency, and then shows the list of RPCs at the bottom, and we use the bottom one on the list. Knowing the correct RPC to use is something only the community or DApp will be able to tell you, and that's why the prime numbers Telegram filters are so awesome, because we have one called ERPC, which shows you the info you need to add the XDC network to your wallet. If you haven't checked out our awesome filters yet, then just type /filters in the Telegram chat group, and you'll get the list of filters you can see on your screen right now, which contains a wealth of information for our community to explore. So thanks for watching, folks, and please do us a favour by liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. It'll only take you a few seconds compared to the hours it took me to produce this content for you. Also, make sure you're following us on social media, all of which are appearing on the screen right now. Come and join our Telegram community, follow us on X to stay up to date, and visit the Prime Numbers website to learn more about our ecosystem. Until next time, enjoy life, stake it until you make it, and trade well, my friends. Blockchain technology for the win.